If you're looking for the best personal blender for smoothies, then you're in the right place. I and the rest of the team have literally spent days trying and testing all the best small blenders on the market so that I can give you the most reliable recommendations possible. If you want to see where to buy each product mentioned, then check out the links at the top of the description box. And with that said, let's see which blenders made the cut. Taking the 5th spot on my best mini blender list is the Nutribullet Personal Blender, which is ideal for single-serve smoothies. I definitely recommend the Nutribullet for anyone in need of a quick, no-fuss blending solution, especially for small servings or single-use tasks. Having recently given the Nutribullet Personal Blender a spin for my morning smoothie routine, I was taken by its compact design. With a modest 250-watt motor and a 16-ounce blending cup, it doesn't hog counter space and fits snugly in my small kitchen. And with the one-button operation, my early mornings are now fuss-free. I toss in my favorite fruits, a bit of spinach, and yogurt, and I have a breakfast-to-go cup ready in under a minute. The quick cleanup is a clear win for me. Rinsing the blades and cups takes no time at all, meaning there's one less chore to tackle after I've enjoyed my drink. On weekends, this little dynamo comes out to play again for whipping up salsas and dips. It's a multitasker, a characteristic I value highly in my kitchen gadgets. However, it's not without its limitations. Although it's probably the best affordable personal blender, when I tried to blend a large batch of soup, I realized the capacity is pretty modest. I had to blend in batches, which was a tad inconvenient. And while it manages softer foods admirably, it may struggle with some harder items unless they're well chopped before blending. Anyway, I have to say, my Nutribullet is holding up well after several months of use, but it's probably not the workhorse for someone who blends heavily on a daily basis, which is why I use my Nutribullet most of the time. More on that in a minute. Up next in my single-serve blender reviews is the Cuisinart RPB 100 EvolutionX Personal Blender, which earns the 4th spot on my list thanks to its convenient cordless design. It's the best small blender for smoothies for those who don't want to be restricted by a typical plug-in cord, which can often be a trip hazard in the kitchen. Having freshly experimented with the Cuisinart cordless blender, I was impressed by its cord-free convenience. It blended a smoothie seamlessly without any need for a power outlet. The speed and efficiency with which it charged up were commendable, and it was operational within 2 hours, ideal for on-the-go lifestyles. And I have to say, durability certainly meets design in this little gadget. The robust motor tackled a mix of soft fruits and a couple of ice cubes without bogging down. The ease of bringing it along to a picnic or using it in parts of my home where outlets are scarce was a definite plus. I get to move around with my blending business, and there's no pesky cord to trip over. It's definitely one of the best personal blenders I've ever tried, that's for sure. However, I did notice the battery life isn't designed for marathon blending sessions. This isn't a deal breaker for routine use, but for larger tasks, you might find yourself interrupting the process for a recharge. Also, while the single speed functionality was sufficient for my needs, if you're looking to finesse your texture, the lack of options could be a minor hang-up. And although the cleanup requires a bit of elbow grease since it is not dishwasher friendly, it's nothing too taxing, I can assure you. Overall, this petite powerhouse is a solid addition to my kitchen arsenal. Perfect for quick tasks, and its portability is a genuine asset for my active lifestyle. No wonder it has so many positive personal blender reviews from long-term users. Taking the number 3 spot on my best single-serve blender list is the Ninja BN401 Nutri Pro Compact Personal Blender, which is ideal if you need a bit more blending power than usual. I'd wholeheartedly recommend the Ninja Nutri Pro to anyone in the market for a robust, easy-to-use personal blender with great functionality. The moment I unboxed my Ninja Nutri Pro, the sleek cloud silver finish caught my eye, promising not just a kitchen appliance but a countertop companion. But despite its powerful 1100-watt motor, its compact size never clutters the kitchen, and it will fit right in with the rest of your kitchen essentials. Powering up, the 1100-watt motor impressed me with its swift action, tackling frozen berries and even the sneakiest of kale stems. The Auto IQ presets are a game changer. With a single touch, my smoothie is ready without any hovering or additional button pushes. The drinks come out thoroughly mixed, cool, and irresistibly creamy, exactly how a smoothie should be. Speaking of on the go, the two 24-ounce cups, which are pretty sizable for a personal blender, will quickly become your trusty travel pals. After blending, I just twist on a spout lid and I'm out the door, nutrient-rich drink in hand. Cleanup is no fuss either, a quick rinse and it's on to the next task. However, be warned, this blender does announce its presence loudly, so early risers or those with sleeping housemates might face a challenge. Taking stock of my time with the Ninja Nutri Pro, I'm convinced that it would be the best small blender on the market if it wasn't for the Nutribullet range of blenders. More on those in a moment. The Ninja blender is powerful enough to keep up with my daily demands, compact enough not to crowd my small kitchen, and the takeaway cups genuinely simplify my routine. Sure, the roar can be unexpected, and it's not the one for a big family brunch prep, but for personal use, it's spot on. Honestly, it's so close between this gadget and the Nutribullets that I can hardly call it. Now for the runner-up. What's even more powerful than a Ninja blender that also comes with a bigger cup? I'll tell you, it's the Nutribullet Pro plus 1200 watt personal blender. While most of us don't need 1200 watts of blending power, I can't help but marvel at the sheer efficiency of this awesome kitchen gadget. If power is the name of the game for you, then this is definitely the best individual smoothie blender out there. This top personal blender, with its 1200 watts of power, works through frozen fruit and leafy greens in a flash. No more wrestling with big chunks of unblended spinach in your green smoothies. What's more impressive is the pulse function that lets me texture my gazpachos exactly how I prefer them, slightly chunky. The cleanup? It's a total breeze. Just a quick twist to remove the blades, a rinse under the tap, and the cups are off to the top rack of the dishwasher. And thanks to its compact design, I don't have to sacrifice half my counter space for it. Still, it's good to note that the high-powered motor isn't the quietest. When I'm blending early in the morning, I'm pretty sure I'm not my neighbor's favorite person. The price can also make you think twice. There are cheaper personal blenders out there, but they likely won't offer the same blending force. In conclusion, if blending efficiency and convenience are at the top of your list, this Nutribullet Pro Plus is the best compact blender you can get. Despite a couple of drawbacks, I can't overlook how it performed. It's a sturdy, reliable gadget that's poised to become a staple in your daily routine, just as it is in mine. So, what is the best personal blender on the market? If you're seeking a single-serve blender that embodies both power and simplicity, the Nutribullet Pro 900 is the best individual blender available today. I just gave my morning routine a major boost with the Nutribullet Pro. The 900 watts of power turned my mix of frozen berries and spinach into a delicious, silky smoothie in less than a minute. Its one-push operation is a no-brainer for anyone who's not keen on complicated gadgets. And after enjoying my drink from this top-rated personal blender, I appreciated the straightforward cleanup. The blade detached smoothly, and everything, including the cups, went into the dishwasher. Quite the time saver. For daily smoothie enthusiasts, this ease of cleaning is a game changer. While using it, the robust motor made its presence known. It isn't excessively loud, but it's something to keep in mind if you prefer a quieter blending experience. Also, its single speed setting is perfect for my morning smoothies, but those looking to experiment with a range of textures might find it limiting. Despite these nuances, the convenience and power it packs make the Nutribullet Pro a reliable kitchen ally. And for me, it's the best small smoothie blender that money can buy. So, those are the best personal blenders on the market today. You can't go wrong with any of these small blenders, but depending on your budget and preferences, you'll probably have a couple of standout picks for your favorite individual blender. Let me know in the comments which product is your favorite. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and if you really enjoyed it, maybe even consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and have fun with your personal blender.